City of Santa Monica, California.
Okay, keep going straight. Here we are at Jocelyn Park. Of a city park. Let's go find a city worker. Tell me when to duck, Ralph, because I don't want to bang my head against anything.
Dept. I hear Keith.
Hit me with the drum.
There he is. He's working hard. He's breaking a sweat. Don't worry. This is for home entertainment right today. We're recording. This is for Ralph's school. He's a student worker.
Okay.
Almost, Jack, almost.
That zoom works good.
Hold
There's
on,
Ralph.
wait, Henry, come out the way. You let this guy pass.
Oh, okay. It's got sound, so you can sing if you wish.
Okay. Get up, get down. Get up, get on down. Baby, this is the way we do it on our job. Today's payday, don't you know why I'm so happy?
Yeah, right, I know it is.
Songs you love, 102.3 KJLH, the late Marvin Gaye sexual. Some people fish me. Anyway, it's 10:34. Joy and DJ Records invite you to the function at the Junction Oldies Getting Party with special guest appearance by respected recording artist Solo on that Sunday, May 26th at the Ground
Go
Plaza.
easy on the bumps, Ralph.
And the function at the Junction Oldies Videos Party is Wednesday. And I have a pair of passes for
Going down Boulevard.
Century Park. That's the most talked about club in America. So if you are caller number 9 at 520 KJLH, they are yours. Coming up for you are Kelly Fuji's
Oldie one.
Continuous Music.
These city workers. Nope.
Just trying to...
Number one, really call Nancy Esterberg has been known to transfer
Better.
of a growing group of people who are making their lives easier by doing all their banking by ATM, telephone, or PC. There's only one problem. They're being charged for it. So at Wells Fargo,
Videotapes of CHP officers trapping people. Meat traps. We're on our way to Hirsch Pipe Supply to see our friends up there. See how everything's going. Pick up some material for an airport job. Bring in a 3-inch regulator and a 1-inch regulator. We're gonna let Ralph do all the work, right, Ralph? Zoom in now on that big pimple on his nose.
Well, it comes with anti-lock brakes, air conditioning, airbag, and a bumper-to-bumper warranty with no deductible.
as extras.
No, actually, they're all included, and more for one.
First parking lot. Clark Plumbing's here. Here's our van. The junk man. First Pipe Supply. Say hi.
Hey, hi.
There's our buddy right there.
Hi.
Where's Nelson at?
Is that on, man?
That's on. We're doing this for your boss.
Hi.
There's my buddy right there.
You got a big camera?
You're on camera too.
Uh-oh. I
What do you-
charge, you know that.
What are you selling?
$10. Get my picture on camera.
Okay.
Okay.
You're now an actor.
Hey, what are you doing?
Hey.
Are you here for more donuts?
No. This is
Morning
my
here?
video. I can do.
No, you're here every morning, but nothing. All you do is eat and eat and eat and use the toilet. Is this the city?
No, this is the best and the best and the best, man.
Everybody here loves it.
Talk like a Cuban.
Yeah, man, we came because Tony Montana right there, man. Tony, say something for the camera, man.
Just get off a banana boat, man. What are we selling here? Garbage disposals?
Water heaters, garbage disposal, toilets, you name it, I got it. This is a 7-Eleven.
Here, Ralph, throw this on the truck.
Now, if you can pick up the water heater like that, you got it.
Really?
Yeah, one hand.
Oh, I can.
Huh?
Want to see me? No.
3 lines coming from the
There's Sean.
plus
How you doing, Sean? Helping the customer.
So what time will that be on the news tonight?
6 o'clock news.
What you want with me, man?
What?
What you want with me?
Man.
Yo, first take your banana over. Get that stuff out of it.
There's Rick. And Jimmy Dean.
Frankie, baby.
What's up, Jimmy? Say hi to the boss. Is the boss here? There's Frank.
Yeah, right here.
What's up, dude? You're the best of the best, man.
That's right.
Is your
Say
womb
hello to the
polluted?
bad guy. I'm the bad guy.
Your womb is polluted.
This is where the city dollars are going, huh?
You know what I mean?
What's that?
What's up, dude?
I love it. We're gonna come in here and see the bosses and the main boss.
Yeah. Yeah, no, like I said, you know,
He's on the
haven't
phone.
mentioned anything to anybody, you know, so whoever,
What's up, dude?
Whatever, I just let the promo run. You know, whatever, you know, the promo spits out. That's what it is.
That'd make you nervous. Yeah.
Catching Julio on a rare moment, he's working.
He's working, yeah. That is rare.
For just a second, please.
All right.
Who's this guy? Who's this guy?
I don't know. Give you a whole lesson on that.
You threw him out last time.
You threw him out last time?
Why?
Oh man, the Lakers can't use you.
Or the Clippers.
Or the Clippers.
Yeah.
Bad as they are.
Okay, I put in transfers. Let me go. Thanks.
Is that a city camera?
Yeah. The one that the one that's been on Kevin all this time?
Yeah. I didn't know about.
Are you his lover?
All the time. And Frank.
Oh, you what?
Me and Frank are lovers. Okay. Just don't tell anybody. Hey, did I tell you the joke about the horse? Yeah, right?
Which one?
The one that the guy went to the doctor.
This is so
I gotta tell you
great.
something. I'm in love with my horse. And the doctor, well, that's normal. Everybody is in love with their pet. Oh no, but I'm really in love with my horse. He goes, well, how much in love are you?
Talk louder.
I wanna, kiss him and stuff. He goes, yeah, well, I feel bad, and I feel like having. Oh, that's kind of bad. Well, that's what, to tell you the truth. You did it.
All right, Kevin, you're next. What's the joke for the day?
I don't have any. We already said everything we could about you earlier.
Oh. How about you, Frankie?
What?
The joke for the day?
I don't have a joke, sir.
Okay. Yeah, now we're.
Tell you, he won't tell you.
Okay. Right? Is that what the joke is?
Which one of these words doesn't belong?
What else?
Meat, eggs,
Tony Montana. Tell him a joke, man. Tell him a joke about Cubans, man. They're funny, man. You still have that camera on?
beat your egg, beat your meat, you can beat your wife, just can't beat a wolf. Right, that's right.
Yeah, man.
Well,
Oh, not right now.
not right now?
Right now, we can't talk about or, no jokes. Not right now.
All right. We're on our way to Bay Area, otherwise known as
Bay Area.
No. What are you talking about, Ralph? We're gonna. Bay Area over here. We have a Playboy place up here where they interview models and do such things like that. You going in the wrong way, Holmes? Huh? Yeah. Do I gotta slap you in the head? You gonna wreck now? Right here, Holmes. Look, every time you come here, there's some kind of truck in the way. You know, just
look at this.
Ralph thinks so too. Let's lock up. I got money in my wallet at home. Yeah, I'll shut it off for now. There he is. There's Gilbert. What's up, dude?
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
There's our favorite girl. She always said she wanted to be a model so she can start working now.
Welcome to Familiar.
Hello. Here's
What are you guys
the main
doing?
reason we come here, because she's so cool.
What are you guys doing?
We're making a video camera for the student workers that Ralph's working with.
And should I tell them about Fridays when you guys come in for donuts?
No. That's Mom's a word.
And how many donuts does
Do I eat?
my good friend eat?
Probably about 5 or
About
6.
5.
How many do I take home?
About 3.
Half the box.
Half the box.
Cool. So you're not at lunch yet?
No, not at lunch yet, but I will be shortly.
There's Nelson. What's up, dude? There's Gilbert. Gilbert's gonna help us today. We need some Unistrut, man.
You're gonna stretch your stuff?
Look at this nice place. Hey, man. Hey, does it smell in there, Holmes? Huh? Hey, close the door, man. No, I don't want to go in there, man. That's toxic waste in there now.
Man, that's when you work for the city, you
make money.
You make money.
Cameras and stuff.
Oh yeah, you guys are losers. I was just kidding.
Hey, that's what we're wearing the same uniform, huh?
Let's get a glimpse of this whole place. Look at all this stuff they have. Bye. Let's zoom in on her again. So what did you eat for lunch today?
Come in for my phones?
Okay. What did you have for lunch today?
Haven't gone yet. I go in about 10 minutes.
Where are you gonna go? You gonna go eat a salad at Carl's Jr.?
No, actually, I think I'm gonna go to the beach, go for a walk.
Cool. And you're not gonna eat?
Not hungry today.
She's on diet.
You could run.
You can run. You can't hide.
But you can't hide.
Are you gonna follow me to the beach too?
Yep. That's right.
Yeah, I need a city escort, 2 of them.
Yeah. What?
City escort to the beach.
Okay. Piggyback ride?
Yes, please.
And there's the big boss right there. Look at him.
Hi, Hammy.
What's up, dude? Hey, we want to buy at least $3,000 worth of stuff, all right?
Cash?
Cash. Okay. Do I got to pull the number here? Is that how it works?
Yeah, pull a number.
Henry's over there.
Come here, get Aggie. You're not getting
Where's she?
Aggie.
Where is she?
Right here.
Hurry.
Come over
Henry,
here.
come get her. Come here, Henry. Go. Where is she? Agnes.
Where are you? Oh, there you are. Hey, don't hide.
Wait, Dave's gonna come over there.
What?
He's gonna come over here so you can
Who
get
is?
really good. Me.
Okay, come on.
Wait, I gotta put somebody first.
You're on camera.
What are you gonna say?
Hurry.
I think that Henry and Ralph both need raises.
There she is.
Henry, can you help me with something?
She's the nicest girl here at Bay Area.
Thank
Everybody else except her. And we're just kidding. He's my grandfather right there. What's up, Pops?
Another beautiful day in the life,
You gonna retire this year or what?
Tired. Want to read, but I'm tired.
All right. You love it here.
Yeah, man.
Hey,
Yeah.
Did you get Noel?
there's Noel right there. What's up, Noel?
Please. Hi, Henry.
No.
He's what?
Henry.
What? Oh, really?
Henry, his
Yeah.
real name is Raj.
Raj?
Raj, that's his real name.
Oh, okay. Hi, Raj.
Hey, do you hear that, Raj?
Good ideas.
And his
We want to show how busy it is here.
My friend's name is
Here, I got Zoom.
I hate these.
That's cool. I like that. Come on, Aggie. You're not following up on your promise. What's that?
You're just doing a documentary, Henry.
Yeah.
You're
gonna get-
Thank you so much.
We love it here. Hey, are you gonna help me, man, or what?
like you're working.
We need some stuff, actually. We do.
Yeah. There's no donuts left, huh?
Oh, well, let's go, Ralph. Come on.
I want to try it.
There she is.
I want to try.
Okay.
How do you do
It's
it?
on. Look through the camera.
What do I look at?
A little bit too heavy for you, eh?
I know, shut up. What do I press?
Nothing. Don't press nothing. Just look through there.
Henry, I can't see. You gotta duck. Okay, that's cool. Sit down now, so you can make like, you know.
I'm breaking
Eric,
size.
give me a shaka sign, Eric.
Oh, relax.
Henry, give me a shaka sign, Henry.
What?
Shaka sign like this.
Hang loose?
Yep, hang loose, Mother Goose. Gilbert, give me a smile, Gilbert. I can see you. Give me a smile. Woo-hoo. Is that your daughter? All right.
America's Most Wanted.
All right, like this.
Here, go in the office and record
Okay.
people. But keep it to your eye.
I cannot do it, Henry. This
Yeah,
thing
you
is too
can.
heavy.
Look,
This thing is
put
too
your hand
heavy.
through here. Okay?
Okay.
Now put your eye in there. Now go in the office. Look with your other eye.
No, you know what? Get customers in there. I cannot go in there, Henry. Jennifer, give me a high sign, Jennifer. Or high sign. That's the one, girlfriend. That's how. Give me a high sign. Look, that's a high sign. Henry, it's too heavy. Henry,
That's enough.
You know what?
I can't do it, man.
What?
There's nothing.
I'm on barbecue rib. Why are we screaming at him, Dan? Fourth annual 92.3 The Beat. Rib. It's on Saturday, May 18th at the Hollywood Park Racetrack. It's going to be ribs all over the track.
That's right. Come on down and taste some of the best barbecue ribs in the Southland. It's all for charity. All for charity.
Man, celebrity judges.
Hold on.
And Kelly, that's you. That would be me. And it's hosted by Miss Shirley Strawberry.
If you coupon at
Hollywood Park, you can get your best.
Oh, you gotta focus.
Get your rib on.
I am.
Annual. 18th of May. The Beat.
Where?
Annual 92.3 The Beat. Real good.
I'm getting what's in front of me, dude.
No, I'm saying there was some
On the next leg, everybody knows.
You gotta.
And ladies, we're here to pump you up. But are these twins just too hot to handle?
You're sweating, aren't you?
Sweating ain't the word. I'm about to drown.
Throw me a lifesaver.
We like what we
There's the burned building, the homeless dude.
America. Plus, let Ricky pay off your credit cards and send you to college free. But you gotta tune in to win. Only on the next Ricky Lake. Everything else is just talk. Today at 5 on UPN Channel 13.
Big fun. We were out in the street talking with some people about UPN News 13, and this is what they had to say. Enjoy.
UPN has changed, you know.
About the man, she has the kind of reliability thing. Am I going to make it on that?
She just seems so
No, you're not.
natural.
What am I going to do?
She's
You're gonna back
Now,
up.
for you cynics out there, none of these people were scripted or paid. Skunk Hunter.
Explain what?
Most unmistakable Christmas. To rice from Louisiana, Arkansas.
This thing is way out of focus. Can you focus this thing?
Focus it with your hand.
With this here?
No, with your 2 fingers.
I know that, dude. But when you zoom in,
Yeah.
out of focus.
Yeah, let me see.
Hold on.
Anheuser-Busch, St. Louis, Missouri.
Okay, I got it.
I'm Gordon Barker. I've been a pharmacist at Thrifty Drugs and Payless Drug Stores for over 25 years. Running a pharmacy isn't any different now than it used to be. People are just people. They want to feel good. At Thrifty and Payless, we know that it's more than just medicine and checking and double checking.
I'm just
You know,
doing the
when I see a
adjusting
new
right
pharmacist at
now.
work today, I still listen to the questions they important to me. See, I don't just run a pharmacy and Payless Drug Stores. I run 1,000 of them.
Was it?
Thrifty and Payless Drug Stores.
Black and white. Oh, I can't really tell.
The best quality Kodak paper and overnight. And you won't need a coupon. Our low prices are an everyday event. For great-looking pictures, laugh, smile. Thrifty Drugs.
What's up? What's
I'm
up
a guy
ahead?
with a lot of friends. Some are unemployed, some are in the military, some are disabled like me. We're all different, but we do have some things in common, like having to budget our money. Some of us were even thinking about getting rid of our telephones, but having a telephone is too important. That's why we were relieved to find out
I
about
like the focusing
GTE's
on.
Lifeline telephone service, ULTS. With ULTS, Jimmy can tell his mom when he'll be on leave from the Air Force, and Bobby can call on the jobs he sees in the newspaper. It's just important to know that if there are any emergencies, help is just a phone call away. GTE's ULTS gave us all the power to be connected. With GTE's ULTS, me and my friends can stay in touch or half as much. Call GTE at 1-800-846-8611 to see if you qualify for the Universal Lifeline telephone service. No deposit, just a $10 installation.
Because you can focus it yourself.
$5.62 a month for your basic
I know,
telephone
but it goes
service. That's
back to being after you do it manually.
Testing one.
Hey, yo, the 92 point party posse is representing all over the Southland.
Don't forget, register to vote at any Beat Street Team event. So rock the 2.3 The Beat.
Tonight, the Beat's breaking off your weekend with 3 out-of-control parties.
Hey now, this is Diana Steele. We got the party going on tonight. Don't miss out. Sensations in Irvine. I'll see you there.
You can catch Corn Dog at Club Orchids in Orange, where the first 300 people are free before 14.
Look.
And the Butterman himself,
Stop.
TJ Butter, will be at the Golden Tavern
Is that a city
after
truck?
sundown.
Yeah, it is.
Tomorrow, starting
But
at
there's no one in
11
it.
a.m., get your grandma with Dennis Cruz, Shirley Strawberry, and Big Kelly from the house party at the 4th Annual 92.3 Rib Cook-Off at Hollywood Park.
From noon till 2, catch up with the Beat Street team at the LA Watts Summer Games cheerleading competition at the John Anshin Ford Theater. And from 4 to 5, Theo will be representing at the Youth Congress for Change at USC. Tomorrow night, the B is throwing down 3 fat parties. Jesse Collins will be keeping it funky at Northern Lights in Strong Beach. Mr. Butters, PJ Butter, join me. I'll be representing at the Golden Tail once again in El Segundo. $5 admission before 9:30.
Inland Empire, we're coming at you. Don't miss out tomorrow night. Join me, Diana Steele. We'll be getting our groove on. The Players Club in Redlands. I'll see you there.
411 to win with the Beat Party Posse 27 by calling the...
Yeah, I don't want to stop here at all. There, I'm proud of. And this
The Confederate flag is in the yard, so...
Hey, let's go over and see. What's up, roll dog? No, no fry holes. That's a. Hey, you're too fat to be a meter maid. What? I said, you're too fat to be a meter maid, Holmes. Yeah, I'm thinner than some of the meter maids, bro. Yeah, you got a point. This is what the yard is like every day. Just a bunch of crazy. What's up, Holmes? Hey, Joe! You don't want to say hi. Let's go torment the lead carpenter. We're here to torment the lead carpenter. What are you doing, Henry?
Where's Bob and Steve and everybody?
They should be back in a minute or two.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I'm done for the day. What time is it? You got a clock in here?
Yeah, it's right up there.
Right there.
You want
See, we're all up at 3.
Henry?
That's right.
Henry.
Hey, they paged me to do a job at like 15 minutes ago, but I had this Italian Subway sandwich in my mouth and I couldn't do it.
That's good.
So they gave it to Gil, and I said, "Oh, really?"
Yeah.
I said, "Well, that's he'll be doing something of he'll have a tool in his hand."
Well, Sonia told him that she paged you twice and you didn't respond, and so that's
Yeah.
why she was calling him.
Oh, well, hey, I had a sandwich in my mouth. It was on my break.
Like I say.
Oh yeah, no, this. Yeah.
Famous last words, Henry.
That's right.
We interrupt this video to bring you a red alert warning that a huge flock of seagulls has come over the city yards and planning an assault on city workers with light blue shirts. Please wear your hats and take cover inside shops to avoid bombardment.
Oh, I've been over there with them.
There you go, Henry.
All right, Holmes.
I'm off.
Say goodbye to the bad guy. Later. You too. The bad guy's leaving.
No Sean.
What's up, Willie?
Tell Sean, thanks. You know how to put the VCR back in the box, do you?
Where is Sean? Is he here? Well, we're done.
Beep, beep, beep.